Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this short video, I'm going to show you how I sublimate an image, and you can actually do both sides, so I'm going to be doing that. For that, you're going to need your little baggie. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and I've been selling them for, if they want one side, it's $3 for the image and $2 for the little baggie. So I'm selling them for $5. If they want image in both sides, it's 3 and 3 plus 2. Okay, so that's how much I'm selling them for. I'm gonna be putting the name of the person on this side, and I'm gonna be putting the name of a band on the other side. And this is sublimation. I'm gonna put links of all the different things that I'm using for today. But the very first thing, you're gonna need your heat press at 400. And then you're also going to be needing your 2 or 1 image. You're not going to be needing heat tape. You are going to be needing a pillow like this or smaller that fits inside the pouch. The reason for that is because if the heat goes over the sequins too long, it's going to burn. It's going to burn the thread because it is like a plastic, so it's going to ruin your little baggie. Okay, so the first side we can go ahead and do it like normal, but then to print this side you need to put something cushiony in the middle, even a towel or whatever. And then you also need butcher paper. Okay. Let me go ahead and turn around my camera so that it faces the heat press, and see you in a minute. Okay, I am right in front of my heat press. One thing that is very important when you do sequins like this is to make sure that everything is facing one side, even the stubborn ones. Okay, and this one, because it's plastic, I need to leave it outside of the press. So this one has already been put correctly. It took me a few minutes, but I got it right. This is what I'm going to be putting here in the middle. It's something small, but it's the name of the band. I'm going to be taping it. Just like that. And I'm not going to put anything in the middle because this one already has something inside so that it doesn't transfer the print all the way to the fabric in the bottom. So I have it, so here it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Okay, so here we go for 60 seconds. So here, this is one that I already finished, and her name on the other side. So they come out pretty cool. Okay, so we're pulling this out, and then now let's go ahead. It's hot. Go ahead and lift this. I mean, the color is not as good as expected like the other one, but I mean, you can see it. So here's the logo. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, the cushion, the little pillow that I have didn't fit in it. So what I'm gonna be doing 2 things. Okay, I'm gonna be putting this towel, I already sized it, and I'm gonna be lifting the top of the heat press because this is thick. Okay, so here we are, and here is her name. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in there. Just need to put the butcher paper on top and put it in. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Oh wow, that's beautiful. So there you go. Okay, here it is. Okay, Thank you so much for watching once again. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.